Imagine sitting down to a fantastic seafood meal, perhaps a platter of steamed lobster. When we picture this delicacy, our minds often conjure images of those impressive, large, and powerful crushing claws. This is a classic visual for many types of lobsters found in cooler waters. However, when we turn our attention to the fascinating world of the Florida spiny lobster, the answer to whether they have these iconic claws is a very clear no. These distinct creatures do not possess the heavy, formidable crushing claws that are characteristic of their northern relatives. The Florida spiny lobster, scientifically identified as Panolurus argus, has masterfully evolved a completely different set of adaptations and tools for thriving in its warm tropical environment. Instead of relying on powerful pincer claws, they are equipped with two incredibly long, thick, and distinctly spiny antennae. These are not just for show, they serve multiple critical purposes. Primarily, these antennae act as highly sensitive sensory organs, allowing the lobster to skillfully navigate the intricate underwater landscapes of coral reefs and rocky bottoms. They are crucial for detecting the slightest vibrations or chemical cues in the water, which helps them sense potential predators lurking nearby and efficiently locate their next meal. Moreover, these formidable antennae double as an active defensive weapon. When faced with a threat, the spiny lobster can rapidly lash out with them, creating a barrier or deterring an attacker. To further enhance their protection, their entire body is encased in a hard, calcified exoskeleton covered with numerous sharp spines, providing an excellent armored defense against predatory fish and other marine life. And for swift escapes, their muscular tail can be powerfully contracted, instantly propelling them backward with surprising speed, often sending them darting into the safety of a crevice or beneath a protective rock. This suite of adaptations makes them exceptionally agile and elusive, perfectly suited for survival in their complex natural habitat. Understanding this unique anatomical difference is quite practical, especially for anyone interacting with these fascinating creatures, whether for culinary purposes or during Florida's popular lobster season. When you encounter a Florida spiny lobster, you are dealing with an animal whose primary defense mechanisms are its robust, spiny shell and those rapidly whipping antennae, rather than the risk of a crushing pinch from a large claw. For recreational divers and fishers, knowing this helps ensure safe handling practices, as those many spines can indeed be quite sharp and requiring careful maneuvering. It changes the interaction from one focused on avoiding a powerful pinch to one mindful of the spiny exterior. There are several intriguing details about these particular lobsters that highlight their distinctiveness. For instance, in many parts of the Caribbean, they are commonly referred to as crawfish, a term that can sometimes cause confusion since true crawfish are freshwater crustaceans, not marine lobsters. Another fascinating aspect of their biology is their molting process. Like other crustaceans, spiny lobsters must periodically shed their old, rigid exoskeleton to grow. During this brief but critical period, while their new shell is still soft and hardening, they are quite vulnerable to predators. Their diet primarily consists of smaller marine organisms, such as tiny crabs, snails, and various marine worms, all located with the precision of their highly sensitive antennae. They are opportunistic feeders, playing an important role in their ecosystem. So, while the Florida spiny lobster may not fit the traditional image of a lobster with large, imposing claws, it is nonetheless a true marvel of natural adaptation. Its sophisticated protective spines, powerful escape tail, and versatile sensory antennae make it perfectly equipped for life in its warm, tropical environment. This makes them a truly distinctive and highly valued component of both Florida's vibrant marine ecosystems and its renowned culinary heritage, offering a unique taste and experience that stands apart.